My name is Martin McNish.
Throughout
You're joining
our
me here for
careers,
quantitative
we might
methods
find
1 and
ourselves
2.
in difficult
And you're also going to see me again in
situations.
We're beginning our study session.
Last but not the least, we are just left with only one thing, which is the depreciation calculation from FRA. Guys, if it's a straight line depreciation, you probably don't have to use it. It's a very easy calculation where you have the cost of the machine minus the salvage value divided by number of years of useful life should give you a straight line depreciation per year. Double declining one is a bit complicated, where you have to actually kind of manually do a table. That's why this kind of specific function, look, let me show you in the calculator. This one, DPR, is very important. Let me do a question quickly for a straight line and double declining, and then you'll see what I mean. You're gonna buy a truck, $50,000 today, which is the cost, salvage value 10,000, useful life is 5 years. But the question is, sometimes the CFA asks you a question like this: find out the depreciation for third year. For a straight line doesn't matter because the depreciation is same. For double declining, you'll be like, what the hell? How do I do this in 1.5 minutes? You have to basically find out 5 years means in double declining, it would be 40% depreciation on the cost or accumulated depreciation. Then again, find out the residual value left over, and then again multiply 40%. Then it's like a long process. Not necessarily, not anymore. So let me show you. Second depreciation. It shows SL if you're doing a straight line depreciation. And guess again, how do we change it? Second, enter, second, enter. Look at this double declining dB. Okay, the other two you don't need to know for CFA. Okay, so I want a straight line just to prove you these functions work. By the way, for this calculation, what would be the straight line depreciation? 50,000, 10,000, 5 should be 8,000, right? Let's see. So I want to do a straight line. So I want to do down. Life, we want to do 5, enter, down. Cost of the machine, it's already there. So I'm going to clear this up. So I'm going to start from the beginning again. Second depreciation, straight line is what we want, down. My life is 5 years life, enter, down, down, ignore M, keep it at 1. Cost is 50,000, enter, down. Salvage value, which is sal, is 10,000, enter, down. Which year I need the depreciation for? That's YR. I need it for the third year, enter, down. Shows you the depreciation right away. And if we keep going down, RBV is remaining book value. After 3 years, you'd pay how much? 24,000. What do you think the remaining book value would be? 26,000. Look at this. RDV, remaining depreciable value. Salvage value not supposed to depreciate. So even though the remaining book value is 26,000, the depreciable value is 16,000. Sometimes it's important to know in cash flow perspective, like this machine can save up some taxes in future because I'm eligible to depreciate 16,000 more on it in the next couple of years.